In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a voice recording in Canva for a presentation. Now, unlike on the desktop version where you can presentate and you can record your voice, you can't actually do that in Canva. So if we go to presentate here, it will open up the presentation, but it won't give us an option to record our voice. So how do we get around that? So there is actually a workaround, and it is pretty simple. All we need to do is go to the App Store, and then once you're on the App Store, go to search and then type in voice recorder. Now we're going to download an external voice recorder. You can go ahead and use any of these. You can also use the built-in one on iPhone. So we've got voice memos here, which I guess we can just open. Now inside of voice memos, what we can do, we can go ahead and click on the red record icon, and we can record our voice while we're watching here our presentation. Now you can obviously talk about your presentation, and then you would obviously create the voice recording. Now once you've got the voice recording created on any app, the workaround will be to simply go to uploads, then upload files, click audio, and what you can then do, you can click on device, and you can click choose files, then you would be able to go ahead and upload your audio. Now, once you had the audio uploaded, you could then crop out the start, you can crop out the end, and you're essentially then adding the audio to your presentation, and then you could simply download it in the top right as an MP4. So you will go download, and you could just download this as an MP4 video, and that would include the audio file as well, which you would record externally from Canva. So that's the solution. That's a workaround. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if it was.